So I finally received the very first Avolites D3-010. It's the very first one with serial number 00001. It gave me a free t-shirt. So when you receive it, it has a nice protective cover on it. I will peel that off later. Let's check the connectors. It's got true one connector on it, power button. They've got like multiple DMX outputs, Ethernet, USB external monitor, but you're probably gonna use this one, USB-C monitor. I've ordered also the protective cover. There is a true one connector and you can put your countries plug on the other side. There's a USB, it's the recovery stick. So this is the first view of the Avolites D3-010. I'm going to order like the screen. I want it to be like exactly the same as the controller. So that's why I was waiting for the controller to arrive. Then I will build a case and everything. So when I've got everything finished, I will start making videos about how it works and how it looks.